Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to our Hello World 2.0. I know that I haven't been uploading a lot and I changed my YouTube name and all, but today is gonna be Fidget Spinner Trick. This is my training fidget spinner. I have other fidget spinners, these are like my good ones. This is just my training one where I go like this, drop it. I guess it doesn't really matter, but it's you know, whatever. Okay, let's start on to the video. Hey guys, welcome. Thanks for watching. I hope you like, subscribe, and share. You can't tell I edited this video. I'm really bad at fidget spinner tricks. As you can see here, this is one of the ones on the fingers that I can do. Please like, subscribe, and share. And I'm really sorry. It's been such a long time since I've actually made a video, and thank you so much for all the subscribers. And yeah, I changed my YouTube name, but see ya on my next video. Comment down below on what I should do next.